everybody. My name is Elias Mudomi Gitonga. I am 4 years 11 months old. Welcome to this show. Today we are learning about planes and helicopters, courtesy of Tropic Air. First, I wish to thank Jamil Roberts for hosting us in Tropic Air.
I wanted Elias to come here.
Yeah.
Once upon a time I was a young boy like him, I was the same. He wanted to come and see the aircraft. We welcomed him to the hangar. He's been with all my people here, all my staff. And I think he's leaving today learning a little bit more about airplanes and helicopters, which will be good for him.
Today we are doing the show from Nanyuki Airstrip. Now this is a hangar. A hangar is where planes stand, where planes be repaired. The first plane you see here is called a Phillipa. The Phillipa is made in America. The Phillipa company was started by Mr. William Phillipa. The second plane you see here is called the Cessna Baby Caravan. This plane you see here is a Cessna Caravan. It can carry 12 people. Cessna planes are made in America. Cessna planes were started by Clyde Cessna. This plane you see here, this small plane you see here is a Cessna 182. Here I'm holding controls of Baby Caravan. Today I am being trained how to fly a Cessna Baby Caravan by Mr. Maina.
Got the nose down, bullet taking off, which is nose up. Turn it left, you're steering on left. Right, you're steering on right. Okay? Have you heard that? It's saying traffic. Left. See? You okay now?
Now we are learning part of a Cessna plane. Hi everybody! Today we are going to learn about Baby Caravan. This is the landing. This side is the side. The windows. these ones. This plane you see here is called the Wako. It is yellow in color. It is ideal for weddings. It has an open roof for you to see properly. It can do side flips from the air. Wako was made in America. Thank you, Jamie Roberts. Thank you, Phillipa. Thank you, Mr. Maina. Thank you, Anton. Thank you, Carol, for hosting us. Catch me for the second part of this show. Thank you for watching my show. Click the red button to subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye!